Automating YouTube video creation and getting paid through the YouTube Partner Program is a dream for many people, making money without doing much. I'm not sure if this exists, but some new tools can create videos with AI, and you can try them. I haven't tried making money with them, but I did try the video creation process, and it's like magic. You can try it yourself too. Let's see how to create a video with ReelCraft Animation AI. This tool is a bit different from tools like InVideo AI or Pictory. Those tools create videos using images and video clips from stock video websites. ReelCraft Animation, on the other hand, creates the images with AI and also animates them so they look like a movie. It doesn't look like a Pixar creation, but it has its own charm. Even though you can tell right away that it's an AI creation, it has its place. Besides creating images, the AI also generates the story text, though you can write the script yourself if you prefer. ReelCraft also creates AI-generated voices from a list they provide, and you can even create a custom voice using your voice. In this video, we will focus on the creation of the video itself. I have other videos that will show you how to edit and change things after the video is ready. Let's get started. This part of the video was created with AI using my script and my clone voice. I had to generate a lot of the images after it finished because some of them were just abstract colors. However, after I gave it a very simple instruction, it created better images. Let's go to the ReelCraft website and see how it works. Starting with the pricing plans. There are 3 options. The free plan gives you 50 credits, which allows you for 2 videos each month and 1 GB of storage. However, it has some limitation, like you can't download the video. Then there's the $30 plan per month, which gives you 250 credits, enough for 10 3D videos or 5 4K videos a month. This plan also includes YouTube integration and some editing options, but with limitation. It's important to note that this plan does not come with commercial license. If you want to use this tool to upload videos to YouTube to make money, you need the $60 a month plan. This plan gives you 1,000 credits, enough for 40 videos with regular 3D animation or 20 video with 5K resolution. It also offers more editing capabilities. I tested everything with the AppSumo deal, which was a bit limited, so I can't show everything the tool can do. You can create the video with your text or generate everything with the AI. I tested both ways and found that AI generated text is very generic. So if you ask me, it's better to write the text yourself. After you pay and sign up, you get to the studio. Here you have a few things. On the side, you have the menu. New is to create the new video. Dashboard is where all of your videos are stored. And it can get messy when you have lots of videos because they don't have folders to organize them. You can also start a new video from the dashboard. Next, you have the asset section. Here are all the things you upload for the video creation. You can upload directly here or do it when you edit or create a new video. In the assets section, there are folders based on the type of asset you uploaded. You can upload music, sample voice for voice cloning, and images. However, you can't upload video clips or script reading. The only way you can use a script is with the AI voice. The next tab is for billing. You will probably have the option to upgrade or downgrade your plan. I bought the AppSumo deal, so I have the option to upgrade through AppSumo. The deal is over, by the way, but it might come back in the future. The last tab is your profile, where you can see how many credits you use and how much storage you have left. Let's see how to create a video. Click on New and you'll get to the main page. Here you have a box for the script or the prompt that will create a script. Underneath, you have some option to tell the AI how to generate a video. At the bottom, there are some examples they created, so you can see what this tool can do. Starting with the box, you can paste your text or put in a prompt about the video and how you want it to be. I'll talk more about who this tool is the best for later in this video. Now, let's finish to creating this video. The next thing you need to decide is what type of content you want to create. The first option is for still still images with some effects on them. You can't control the effects for now, but they say that this will change soon. The 4K option is for images in 4K resolution, which are also generated images. Then the 3D option is the most interesting part of this tool. You can create videos where the images have some movement and they look nice. It's not like someone actually animated these images, but it's cute and has a unique style that we're likely to see more in the future. The next section is where you decide on some details about the video. You can change everything later, but it's a good idea to set it up here. Starting with the background music, I made a different video that shows how to use it. Here you can let the AI decide what music to use, or if you are in the pro mode, you can choose genre of the music. Sometimes it uses the same music repeatedly, so you can also decide to have no background music or upload your music. What's the video about it? Next, you have the ratio. Do you want it vertical or horizontal? Then you have the voiceover. I also have a video dedicated to how to upload your own voice sample. Here you can choose the voice for the video and play the voices to hear how they sound. Next, you have the concept of the video. Concept explanation is more for videos that explain something. There are also options for stories, historical topics, travel blog, biographics, and wishes, thoughts, and quotes. The last option is more for inspirational videos. Based on this list, you can understand who this video tool is for. It's less suited for tutorial or something that needs more professional knowledge. It's more for general content. Next, you have the style, which changes based on the type of images. If you choose 4K, you have more options. Then you have the visibility. I'm not exactly sure where it's shown, if it's public, but I do know that if I pay for a video, I don't want everyone to have access to it if I create it from my YouTube channel. So you can choose private or public. I choose private always. After you finish the prompt part, you click on create. Then you have the option to choose the kind of animation again, so you can change it here if you like. Next, you need to choose again the concept of the content you want the video. And also it's important to choose if you want the AI to generate everything, use your script, or enhance the script you wrote to make it longer. And it takes about 30 minutes to create video. So you should know that creating video takes time. I have an idea for making it automatically, so you can go to sleep and make some videos while you sleep and upload them automatically to YouTube. I will share this in different video. So subscribe if you want to see it, or check the card if it's already out. After the video is ready, you can edit some things like the images it used, the add caption, and more. I have different videos that shows how to do it, so watch them on this channel. When you go to the dashboard, you can choose the video you want to edit. You can click on it, or use the 3 dots next to each video to edit, share, or delete it. If you want to show the video to someone without uploading it to the internet, you can click on share, and then you will get the link to share the video. When you make changes to the video, it does not use up more credits. The credits are for creating the whole video and include edit, which is nice because I've seen other tools that use credits for every small edit you make. Some notes before we discuss who this tool is good for. You don't have many options to edit. The length of the video is maximum of 5 minutes, and you can't control the exact length. After you generate the video, you can add or delete things to adjust the length. To be able to monetize, you need to keep the video private on the ReelCraft website. But remember, this is only one part of the story. You still need to meet YouTube requirement of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, and then get approved by the team that review your channel. I didn't try it myself, but they have a pro mode with a $60 subscription. In pro mode, the creation process is a bit different because you can change the text of the story before creating the video. In the regular script editor, you can only edit the text but can't choose how to split the scenes in the video. To edit the story, click on the video you want to edit from the dashboard and then click on the story tab. There you have the option to edit the text. If you are in pro mode, you will have more customization option on this page. In pro mode, you can add a logo and use consistent color when you edit the text for your branding. Another thing I didn't show in any video, so I want to talk about it now, is the storyboard tab. Underneath the image editor, you also have a text editor. When you click on the pencil icon, you can edit the text in the scene, so you can change it here too.
Additionally, you can click on the setting icon to change the voiceover. When you change it in one scene, it only changes for that scene. If you want to change the voiceover for the entire video, you need to click on each scene and change the voiceover there. Alternatively, if you want the video to have a different voiceover in each scene, this is how you do it. Remember to click save and regenerate to see the changes. Click on the play button, you can hear the scene text. So for the big question, who is this tool for? Well, I can't say it will replace animators anytime soon, but it has its own charm. I think it's best for videos with visuals that are not abstract and do not contain text. For example, if you want to create a tutorial that requires very specific images, you might need to upload all the images yourself. In that case, you might prefer other tools that use stock images instead of AI creation. Additionally, if you want to create anything related to technology, like computer, it won't look good. I watched some videos that show dinosaurs and they didn't look like dinosaurs at all. So if you need something that looks precise and realistic, this tool isn't there yet. Maybe in the future, but not for now. You can create very general images, or if you want to talk about places like in travel blogs and use generic images, you'll get images that kind of look like those places. You can see the similarity. You can also have consistent characters. You talk about specific person. It's also good for an inspirational video if you want to use some quotes and music. This tool can also be useful as part of videos where you want some animation for certain parts of the video. It works well for children's stories where you don't need real images for it to be effective. Basically, anything that doesn't need to be precise or close to reality can benefit from this tool. I think the best use of this tool is if you need some animation in your videos and don't mind that it looks like AI created it. I am adding some other video I created in the tool so you can see for yourself if it is what you're looking for. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video, and now you can watch the other video I created with this tool.
Designing a minimalist kitchen involves focusing on functionality and aesthetics by eliminating clutter and emphasizing essential elements. Start with a neutral color palette like white, black, or gray to enhance the sense of space and cleanliness in your kitchen. Opt for sleek, handleless cabinets and integrated appliances to maintain a streamlined and modern look in your kitchen space. Minimalist kitchens thrive on simplicity, so keep countertops clutter-free and use hidden storage solutions to maintain a serene environment. This minimalist approach not only enhances your cooking experience, but also reflects modern design principles, creating a stylish and functional space. Our journey starts in Piedmont's lush vineyards, where rows of grapevines stretch across the rolling hills. Next, we delve into the truffle hunts, revealing the earth's hidden treasures, particularly the prized white truffles. Savor the authentic taste of Piedmontese dishes like the creamy risotto and delicate agnolotti pasta, capturing regional flavors. Concluding our journey, we sample robust Barolo and Barbaresco wines, ending with a taste of Italy's culinary heartland.